Alright guys, so this is gonna be day 7 of our rain wear folding week here. I'm gonna show you how to fold your rain jackets and your rain pants together. And I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but I think I've somehow peaked with folding. This is the most space saving and amazing way that I couldn't even imagine folding the pants and the jackets together when I started this. So this is going to be really cool. By the way, I'm going to put together an entire playlist and link it here under the video if you want to follow along this entire week that has led up to this madness. So we're going to start again by placing our rain jacket up, and we're going to zipper it up everywhere. Next, we need to take our rain pants and we're just going to fold them over simply. So we fold them over in half from side to side, fold in all of the crotch, and we fold the pants over in half from top to bottom like this. And we're going to place them directly in the middle of the rain jacket here. So it needs to be inside the area of the hood. That's the most important thing here. Next thing we're going to do is that we're going to take the arms of the rain jacket and we'll fold them over to the other side and then down like this. So repeat that on the other side as well. Over to the other side and then back down like this. And then from here we're going to fold the sides in towards the middle. So the most important thing here is that it stays within the area where your hood is. By the way, you may want to open your hood a little bit here. So we repeat on the other side as well. So now you see we have this nice even shape going down the length of our jacket here. I'm going to turn the jacket around so that I have the bottom facing me. And from here we're going to start rolling the rain jacket up. Now here's the thing, you can roll this a little bit tightly, but you don't need to. The most important thing is that these areas are inside like the area of the hood, because we will be placing this into the hood here next. So how we do that is that we kind of open up the edges. That's why I kind of recommended that you unzipper it a tiny bit there at the bottom, so that we have room to stuff this inside. So one side at a time, inside the hood, like that. And you can keep going here a little bit if you want to. It's not necessary. I have this visor. I'm going to flip that up like this. And I think this is some type of peak, at least personally for me. I think this is amazing. This is super space saving. It's not going to come apart anytime soon. Great for both at home and for travel. Also, I would say that it's awesome to keep both the rain pants and the rain jackets together. Just make sure that everything is dry before you start folding it up, especially if you're going to fold them up like this together long term. So I'm going to place this in with my other clothes here. By the way, if you didn't watch this entire week yet, I'm working on this huge like clothing space organizing workshop. It's going to be entirely free, but I'm not going to place it here on YouTube. If you want to watch that when it's ready, please sign up to the newsletter and I'll send you an email once that's ready. You can head over to organizing.tv/workshop if you want to see that. It's going to be super cool. Other than that, check out this entire playlist with how to fold all your rain gear. It's been a super fun week. A little bit crazy again. We did this with a cardigan last time. So yeah, what should we do next? Alright guys, thanks for watching all week. Hope you learned a lot about folding and organizing your clothes. See you in the next video. Peace.